This is how you create a Pareto analysis on sales data using the Microsoft AdventureWorks database. Here we have a table from that database, and we can see the product name and the line total, which is the total amount of sales. If we create a pivot table, we can see the total amount by product. We can format this into currency. To create a Pareto analysis, we will need to divide each of these by the total amount. We can do that with a measure, which we create here. We will call it total amount. And this measure takes an expression and a filter. The expression we already have, which is the sum of line total. And the filter, since we want the total amount, we will use all. The first argument is M. In this case, since we are using one specific column, we can just tell it M product name. We can check, no errors in the formula. What this means is calculate the sum of line total and ignore the product name selection. So it's basically going to get the sum of everything. And there it is. Now we can just calculate the percentage. Sum of line total divided by total amount. It's a percentage. Now if we sort the table by percent, we can see now the biggest contributors to the sales. A Pareto analysis would answer the question, which products account for 80% of the sales? So in order to see that, we can change the percent to running total in product, which makes it cumulative. 80% is right here. So that this tells us that these 64 products account for 80% of our sales. And this is how you calculate the Pareto analysis.